Hi folks, welcome to Cronometer University. Today I'm going to walk you through a trick in Cronometer that will make planning your daily or weekly meals super easy. While we don't explicitly support meal plans or templates yet, this hidden feature should get you most of the way there until we release the full version of our meal planner. Let's check it out. Many of you will have created custom foods and recipes using the food editor in the Foods tab of the app. If you're new to that part of the app, check out the videos I've linked in the notes below. Otherwise, I'm going to cover how to use the recipe editor to create your own daily meal plans that you can use to manage your diet throughout a week. There are a few ways to get started. If you know what foods and recipes you want to eat in a day, you can go directly to the recipe editor and do the following. Create a new recipe and give it a name, say Meal Plan Day 1. When you start adding ingredients, choose the foods and recipes with the amounts you want and build the list of food you'll be eating for a day. Save that recipe and you've got your first day of meals planned out. Now, the other way to set this up is a bit more precise, and it takes advantage of one of our gold features too. Start on the diary page on an empty day and add the foods you'd like to eat. You can also make adjustments to those foods or add others in order to get closer to your nutrition targets for the day. Once you're happy with the template you built, select all the food by holding down Shift and clicking each one. Now right-click any food and select Create Recipe from selected items. This is the gold feature that makes creating meal plan templates incredibly easy, because you can build the perfect day from a nutritional perspective and then save it to use later. Now that I have a meal plan saved, all I have to do is log it to the day I plan on following it. Now, everyone knows that any given day doesn't always go according to plan, so the best way to manage the variance between what I say I'm going to eat and what I actually eat is to do the following. Just right-click the meal plan and select the Explode Recipe option. This will expand a meal plan into each ingredient. Once it's expanded, you can now drag and drop each item in their groups that you've created, and you can adjust the amounts of what you ate if your day was a little bit different than planned. Logging your food every day can take some time, but using this technique and building some meal plans in advance will save you a ton of time in the long run. Oh, and guess what? You can totally do this on the mobile app too. Every feature I just showed you on the web app is also available on mobile. You just need to know where to look. You can find those options in menus on the diary screen on mobile with a few extra taps and gestures, just like we're showing you here. This is one of our favorite tricks to stay organized and stick to your plan with Cronometer. We hope you can use it too. Be sure to subscribe to catch our latest videos and drop us a line at support@cronometer.com if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.